hard day of shunting jellies, jams, and reinforcing strangely communist values, Thomas and Vector were finally on their way home.
Bust my buffers! The sun's gone away! And that's when the scary trains come out to play. Exactly!
Then there was trouble.
Thomas and Vector, Sodor City's in trouble. The scariest train wants to turn it to rubble.
Whatever. I'll Thomas in the house, boy.
Be careful, you two. He's the scariest yet. I don't know how much scarier one train could get.
Dude, the Chugotron's freaking me out.
Don't worry, buddy. I'm sure it's okay. There's no train in the world that can ruin our day.
Hello there, Thomas. It's me, Diesel 10. Here to overthrow the whole planet again.
I got bad feeling about this.
Give it up, Diesel 10, because I brought the whole team. Together we merge into Optimus Supreme.
Like a boss.
Pack it in, Diesel 10. I'm calling your bluff. You've confused and delayed this fine city enough.
That's awfully cute, for my friends are here too. And I bet when we collide that we're bigger than you.
Sodor City will cower in the face of Devastator.
Engines, it's time to get way less endearing. What we need some fine Japanese engineering.
Wax off!
Kawasaki!
Sanctimonious steez, you shouldn't be so sour. You know there's no beating my diesel-fueled power. Speed seekers, activate.
Steam-seeking missiles? What should we do? They'll home in under steam and blow us up too.
Woman, I got this. See you later, Devastator!
You did it, big guy. You're Sodor's protector.
You mess with my friends, you mess with the Vector.
Boom! Now that's what I'm talking about. With Devastator blasted to cinders and ash, it was time for the ultimate citywide bash. 3 times now, they've saved the world from destruction and achieved an island-wide villain reduction. With a wave and a smile, Vector looked to the crowd, and he knew in his heart that his father was proud.
Take that, Michael Bay! TRAINSFORMERS.com